In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this cross wreath form to make a floral and yarn wreath for Easter. I'm going to use this chenille yarn in lavender that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought at first it would take more than one skein, but it didn't. To begin each section, tie off your yarn at the bottom of the form and hot glue the first strand across the bottom to hide the bar. Then, all you need to do is wrap the yarn around the entire form. Be sure to push it down to cover up any gaps, and every now and then hot glue across the sidebars just for extra security. When you reach the top of each section of the form, be sure to keep wrapping the yarn around until you can't see the sidebars, and add some hot glue to make sure your yarn stays in place. When it was time to start the next section, I got confused and I forgot to start at the bottom. I thought I would start at the top, but I remembered that it would be better to start again at the bottom, so you always end in the same place. Follow the same instructions from before and continue until you reach the top of that section. You will continue this same pattern for the other two sections as well. This is what your form should look like when all the sections are covered with the yarn. You're going to use this uncovered section right here to insert your florals. My choice of florals were lavender, these ivory hydrangeas, which are beautiful. I love the hydrangeas. Then I used these lavender color lilacs along with the dark purple ones. Go ahead and snip your flowers apart from the stem with your wire cutters, and then be sure to remove the tags. Well, you're not going to forget to do that because the tags just stick out, but I thought I would go ahead and say it. At this point, all you have to do is decide how you want to place the florals in the middle of the form. Make sure to look on the back, because if the stems stick out in the back, you want to cut them or tuck them in the yarn just to make it look nice. As you can see, I found this out the hard way. And here is the wreath all finished. Isn't it lovely? I really think so. Well, that's all I have for you today, but I have several more videos just waiting to be uploaded. If you like this video and wonder what more I have in store, please hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Have a blessed Easter holiday, friends. Until next time.